Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute bunny jar. First, you want to draw a rabbit the size that you want on your jar onto a piece of cardboard. Here's what I drew for my rabbit. Next, cut your rabbit out. Once you're done cutting your rabbit out, tape it to your jar. Once your rabbit is secure, paint your jar with white chalk paint. I used my paintbrush and dabbed around the bunny so that way I didn't paint underneath of him. Once you're done painting around your rabbit, paint the rest of the jar with the white chalk paint. Once the paint is dry, peel off your rabbit. Use a toothpick or your nails to peel off all the extra that got under the rabbit. For the next step, paint your jar pink. For this shade of pink, I used a little bit of my acrylic paint and the leftover chalk paint. I used a thinner brush to paint around the rabbit. Let that layer of paint dry and you're done with your jar. For the next step, I'm going to use the lid of the jar and a little bit of this ribbon with these pom-poms on it. I'm going to hot glue the end of the pom-pom around the jar's lid and continue hot gluing around the edges until it's all the way around. Screw the lid on and you have a cute bunny jar. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my other videos.